could get a copy. And you could autograph it to a far-out fan. Hey, what's in here?
Record vault.
Oh, where you keep the golden oldies and maybe the new music.
They live on fear. They live on fear. They live on fear. They live on fear. They live on fear.
Stretch, darling, you know the door's unlocked. Hey! What the fuck you think you're doing in here, you crazy looking little son of a bitch? Get out of here!